How to exit a parallel parking space. Getting out of a tight parallel parking spot can be tricky. But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you a simple step-by-step method to exit smoothly and safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Straighten your wheels. Before moving, make sure your steering wheel is straight. This helps you maneuver out easily. Step 2. Reverse slightly. Carefully reverse just a little, less than a foot, keeping an eye on your mirrors and back wheels. Make sure you don't hit the car behind you. Step 3. Turn and move forward. Turn your steering wheel fully in the direction you want to exit, and slowly move forward. Step 4. If you need more space, reverse and adjust. Turn the steering wheel all the way in the opposite direction and reverse a little again. Step 5. Turn and move out. Now, turn the wheel fully toward the road and move forward slowly. Step 6. Signal and check. Turn on your signal to alert other drivers. Always check your mirrors and look over your shoulder to ensure it's safe to merge. Step 7. Merge into traffic. Once the road is clear, gradually accelerate and smoothly join the traffic lane.